I woke up in an amazing mood today, despite being in the house for over a month. Hey everybody, it's Sharmel. Welcome back to my channel. So today I'm here with a fresh, effortless makeup look. So let's get started. I woke up in an amazing mood today, despite being in the house for over a month. The sun is shining. It's been really beautiful outside. I put on this really pretty, like, vacation vibes type of maxi dress. So yeah, so since I'm going with like the vacation theme vibes and I can't go on vacation right now, I'm going to be doing a really fresh makeup look similar to something that I would actually wear on vacation. So yeah, I'm going to bring you guys in closer and we are going to get started. I'm out of breath. Alright, so I'm starting off fresh face. I have no makeup on right now. First step into getting that really fresh type of makeup look is skin preparation. So I already washed my face, moisturized my face. I'm trying out a new moisturizer. My skin type, I have dry skin. I usually use the Pond's, which I show you guys all the time here on my channel. I've been using this for years. I love it, but the thing with this Pond's is that it's really heavy, it's really greasy. I don't mind it. I like that look. I like that your mama just rubs you down in Vaseline look. I like the way it makes my skin feel, all of that. However, it makes my makeup get really oily really fast, especially like in spring and summer. So yeah, I've been trying out a new moisturizer. It's actually only my second day wearing it, but this is the Shea Moisture 100% virgin coconut oil daily hydration face lotion with coconut milk and acacia senegal. So it softens and restores skin. So far it's cool. I guess it's working. I'm still getting used to it. I know yesterday my nose was very patchy and dry by the end of the day. So now we're going to go on to primer. So for primer, I'm going to be using the Professional Hydrate Primer. It's made by Benefit Cosmetic. I actually really like it. It doesn't feel like heavy. It's not oily, but your skin still feels hydrated. So I'm gonna do my brows. I normally start with my brows already done, but when I do like this fresh, glowy makeup, I want my brows to look a little more natural. So I'm gonna start by taking a spoolie and I'm just brushing them upward. Look very like kind of fluffed out, kind of going for that, what's it called, that laminated look. So I'm gonna use some glitter primer. So I'm gonna take a little bit of this. I'm gonna rub it over my eyebrows. And this is just going to keep those hairs kind of brushed up in that direction. It's almost like a brow primer. Now I'm just going to take this Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the color number 5. And I'm going to just fill in my brows. Just doing hair-like strokes going in that upward direction that I already brushed my brows in. But I'm going to take the same pencil and I am going to outline the bottom just to give it a little bit more structure. And that's pretty much all I'm going to do for my brows as far as filling them in. Just going to clean them up with some concealer. This is my Fenty Beauty concealer in 385 and I need a new one. So yeah, eyebrows are done. Well, I'm not going to be doing a whole layer of foundation on my face, but I am going to take a foundation stick and I'm going to be using the ColourPop No Filter stick, and this is the color Deep Dark 185. I'm basically going to spot correct, so I like to add it on the corners of my mouth, put a little on my eyelids because my eyelids are darker than the rest of my face, and then I'm also going to apply a little bit under my eye. And I'm just going to take my finger and blend it out. So I just do this to even out my overall complexion a little better. So now I'm going to go in with some concealer. And I'm using my Juvia's Place I Am Magic Concealer in the number 13. Then I'm just going to blend all of that out. I'm going to start using a brush first to pack it in and concentrate it. Looking crazy. But then I'm gonna go in with a damp sponge and just make sure all of that is blended out. And I'm just gonna be using my Fenty Beauty setting powder, the Pro Filter setting powder in Honey. And then I'm going to set the rest of my face with a pressed powder. This is the Pressed Mineral foundation from Cover FX. And I'm just using a big fluffy brush. I'm gonna do a little bit of bronzing, and I'm gonna be using my Black Radiance True Complexion contour palette, and I'm gonna use medium to dark. Now I also like to go back in with that face brush with no product on it, and just blended everything out again, just to make sure there aren't any harsh lines or anything like that. I'm also going to take a little bit of this bronzer too. I'm just going to place it in my crease. For blush, I'm using another Benefit product, and this is the Benefit Benetint. And basically it's just a rose tinted lip and cheek stain. For highlight, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty again. This is the stick. What is this called? This is a matchstick in rum. I'm also going to take this L'Oreal True Match Liquid Glow Illuminator. You can prime or highlight with it. I'm just going to take a little bit of that on my hand. I'm gonna rub it in. So you can use this as a primer, like I said, and put it on your face before you do like foundation or anything. But I'm just going to place it on top. So I'm gonna take a little bit of that. And you don't need a lot because you want to be able to blend it out. I'm gonna set my face. I'm using the ColourPop All-Star setting spray. I was debating on if I wanted to put on lashes. You can definitely put on lashes with this look, but I just don't feel like it. So I'm just gonna do mascara. So I'm just gonna use this is another Benefit product. This is the Bad Gal Bang mascara. Oh, I never used this one before. Oh. Alright, so now we're gonna finish it off by doing the lips. Y'all know I love gloss, but lately I've been doing this nudish type of lip. So I'm gonna use this NARS satin lip pencil. I just found this in my stash that I never used before, but it's like a pinkish color. So I'm just gonna apply that all over my lips. And then I'm gonna take my favorite dark brown lip pencil and line my lips. And then I'm going to take this other brown lip pencil. I got this from my beauty supply store. It's basically, it's a brown liner, but it's lighter than that dark brown that I use. And then I'm going to use that to like blend out the dark brown and blend it into that pink color. Alright you guys, so here is the final look. Again, this is a fresh and glowy makeup look, very much vacation vibes. Like, it's definitely a lightweight summertime type of makeup look where you don't want to have a bunch of products caked up on your face, but you still want to look snatched and put together. So yeah. So yeah, thank you all for watching. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your bell post notifications. And I will see you all in the next video.